Nice day for a fire. Mason's watching the dogs play as they knock the camera out of my hand. You guys, I'm gonna say good morning to the kitty. Yeah, to Mason. I don't think Mason's gonna allow that there, Rika. You better give him some space. What's outside there, buddy? So Mason has two new friends that live in the yard, and they're helping us catch all the mice outside and all the voles. We have a bad vole problem around the whole region, actually. There's an overpopulation of voles. It's been a good year for them the last few years, and so they're overrunning the yards, and the hawks and eagles and owls are hunting, and the cats are hunting. We don't let Mason go outside, but he sneaks out occasionally. About 3 times this whole year, so that's not too bad. 2 of which were last month, or in the past month. What are you two doing? A little tug of war this morning? Yeah. So you're not hearing much from me because I am in the busy season of my new job, flying a corporate jet, and it's a very busy season. I do promise I'll have more uploads as we get into winter, and winter is here, as you saw from my last video, or actually, I don't know if I showed you that. Oh, let me do that right now. I'll show you a few clips of outside playing with the puppies. It's out there. Go look. What's outside? They don't know it yet. Oh, what's out there? What is that stuff? They haven't been in snow since they were little puppies. Okay, girls, off. You stay down. No. Go out. No. Outside. You ready? Want to go see it? Go see it. What is that stuff? What's that stuff? What's out there? What is that stuff? Go get it. Find it. Rika likes it. You can play in it. Go run. Run. Go see. Go see what's out there. The leaves on the trees haven't fallen off yet, and the stuff is sticking to it. If we get a lot of snow, it's going to damage our trees. Look at them go. Oh, they're having fun in the snow. Puppies love the snow. That's a good sign, because they're going to be outside a lot, playing with each other, getting rid of their energies. Okay, here it goes. Release the hounds! Ah, we got stuck. There it goes. Get the puppies. Woof, 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 woof. Good girls. Run. Get that snow. Get that puppy. Who likes the snow? Good girls. We had a early season blizzard just like last year. So that's giving us 7 months of winter, a second year in a row. And I love winter, but I am really not happy about that. Autumn is my favorite season, and it got canceled because there's still leaves on all the trees. The snow is melting, but everything is wet and soggy. So I decorated for Halloween. It's one of my favorite times of year, along with Thanksgiving. And there it is. The snow is melting, but the trees are still on the leaves. I mean, the leaves are still on the trees. I have not had my coffee yet this morning. Forgive me. Here's some clips. Look, girls, there's snow out there. Who wants to go play in the snow? You want to go play in the snow? Look at snow. Yay! It's time to play. Here we go. Release the hounds. Woohoo! What's in there? She's the sniffer dog, that's for sure. What's in there? She's the sniffer dog, that's for sure. What's in there? What do you see? Whew. Good girl. What do you find? What's in there? Huh? What's in there? Yeah. Good girl. Kind of like a Christmas scene, only in the summer when the leaves are green. The world is confused. Mother Nature is crushing my bushes. Well, I'm not giving up on fall-like weather yet. We're still gonna have autumn. I mean, like, the leaves are still fairly green on the trees. So, we can't give up, people. Can't give up hope. We're not gonna have 6 months of winter. It's not gonna happen. I'm executing some denial.